So today is the last day of welding, and I'm looking forward to being done with this class. My thought from the booth today: have you been avoiding those difficult conversations? Go have them. It's just like welding. Sometimes in the workplace, in order to combine two pieces of metal, you're going to have to weld it. You're going to have that difficult conversation. And while you're doing that, there's going to be sparks, a lot of heat. It's going to be uncomfortable. You may get burned a little bit, or you may feel burned. But in the end, the piece that you have will be much stronger. The team will be more cohesive. There will be more understanding so that you can face any challenge or any type of opposing force that's going to try to bend or break it. When is the last time you had that difficult conversation? And if you're avoiding it, have it today. I'll tell you in the end, it's going to be much better. Have a good day.